Hello traders, welcome back. This is Too Many Forex guys as usual, man. Thanks for subscribing to all my channels and thanks for supporting me. First of all, I have to thank you, man, for working with me, guys. Today I have come up with a very good trading these indices, and I'm gonna show you guys how you can make constant money. As you can see on my screen now, guys, I already have this setup, and I got to show you how this setup was done. And people already on our Telegram channel, guys, they enjoyed this setup, and I know some of them took the trades. And guys, as you can see, this is our Telegram channel, of course, Too Many Forex, and you can see this is what has been happening. This is the same as jump 100 index, and you can see before and after bit. So guys, these are the results for now. Early yesterday, and when I gave them the setups, of course we had to expect something good. I got to show you guys how we got this setup and how we managed to make some good money. As you can see, I told them, guys, this is jump 100 index, this is just a trade idea. Of course, I told you I'm gonna give you setups, I'm not gonna give any signal on my Telegram channel. So I told them when price fully breaks the neckline, of course we had the double tap somewhere there, and I told them when the price fully breaks the neckline, we'll be watching out for more confirmation to go for short. And afterwards, guys, as you can see, after some good hours I came back to update them what is really happening. We got a full breakout of our neckline, and guys, we got a correction wave coming in too. And when we see a correcting wave coming back, that means that is just a pullback that's gonna push the market all the way down. Because if you wanna see this very clear, just go on my Telegram channel and subscribe to this channel, guys. You won't miss anything, because this is the setup that I give them. These are the setups as I give them. As you can see, there is another setup that we got. This is the setup, man. This is the setup that we got, and as you can see, we have also hit our take profit. This is also an up to date, and you can see the trade was fully closed somewhere here. Okay, people, for today I got to show you how we took this trade. Okay, so guys, when I was on the charts, I got to notice something. Let me first delete all this and I show you how we took the trade. So when I was on the chart yesterday, I got to see something. Of course, I had to go on 1 hour chart time frame and see what is really happening with the trade, with the market, with the price. Where is it going? Where should I put my take profit? Where should I put my stop loss? When should I enter, and when should I buy or sell? Okay, guys, those are the first question always you have to ask yourself. So when I came to my charts, guys, the price was somewhere here. Okay, the price was somewhere here with the triple tap. I just got to see something like a triple tap somewhere that I'm going to show you in time to come from now. But I had to first get my higher highs, or my top highs and my top lows. What is really happening? Of course, guys, I got to see this as my top high that can act as a resistance, because as you can see, guys, this zone pushed the market all the way down, that caused even break of structure here, somewhere here. See, this was a break of structure. Let me go to indicate it, and I see. So that what caused this market, we might take this as a corrective wave that might pull the market down, but I didn't take this trade personally because I couldn't trust this flag pattern. Why? Because we never get anything like a break of structure or anything like a continuation. Now we are looking for continuations. No, guys, this is just because the market was moving upwards and I couldn't take this trade. Why? The market is moving upwards and I'm getting a continuation pattern that is showing me that continuation pattern going downwards, yet we are in an uptrend. So I had to wait for more confirmation, guys. So when the market came back here, guys, I realized that there's something good that is going to happen, and there's something good that's going to give me money. Of course, I had to share with my people on my Telegram channel. So when I saw this, I had to mark my zone. So when I mark this zone, guys, as you can see, it's when I slope to my 15-minute time frame to see when and why should I take this trade, and at what time should I take this trade. When I came to my 15-minute time frame, of course, I had already noticed that the market is reaching my resistance zone and it is reaching it in a corrective way. Because when I look at this, man, this is something like, this is the first tap, and we got our second tap somewhere here. We got our third tap somewhere here. This was our third tap, and that was giving us a triple tap. Guess what, guys? We even got a double top somewhere here. Let me remove this so that you can see it very well. We even got a double bottom, a double top somewhere here that is showing us the market is really gonna go down. But I didn't take this straight because I would have given those my people in the Telegram channel to enjoy it too. Because you can see this was the neckline that was broken, and when I mark my fucking neckline, man, you can see that the market went all the way down, and in the process of going all the way down, we got a break of structure. When we got a break of structure, people, so what do you expect? We expect continuation. So when you expect continuation, what do you look for? You always look for continuation chart patterns. You will learn how to get this chart pattern if you stick with me. Because don't forget that, guys, probably this week I'm coming up with a scalping strategy on phone, and this strategy is really profitable because I myself I use it when I'm waiting patiently for these charts, for these setups to give me an entry signal or to hit my take profit. And what happens, I always scalp on 1 minute, and I'm using these strategies I personally to take trades. So guys, when we look at this triple tap, where was the neckline? Guys, this was my neckline for my triple taps. Okay, this was the neckline for my triple taps. So I told these guys well and good, as you can see here, guys. As you can see, the photo showing you that I told these guys when we get a clear breakout somewhere here, the market was just playing around here. I told them when we get a breakout, we'll wait to see continuation chart patterns. We get an entry as well, guys. We kept on watching this market patiently, and guess what? We got a flag pattern, and always I tell you that a flag pattern is what? Is always a continuation chart pattern. Well and good that this flag pattern happened after the break of structure and after the break of our neckline. This is showing us that the market will really go down. So what do we do when we get this? We get something like that. So I told these guys again, the market was somewhere here, was playing around inside the flag pattern. I told them we might take some trades somewhere here, because it was around night, and I told them we may take some trades when the market, the price was just playing around here. I just gave them the setup, what I'm seeing and what we expect to take. So when we got this, man, what happened? I had to wait patiently, and I knew they were waiting patiently because I've already given them the signals. Our flag pattern was broken, and when it was broken, I had to take my trade here exactly after the breakout. I had to take that trade exactly after the breakout, because this is a chart pattern, and guess what? We got a breakout. That was my opportunity to take that trade. And where was my stop loss? My stop loss was just above the flag pattern resistance area. Why? Because we already see here that the market has tapped our neckline of a double bottom, of a double top that was formed before, and showing us that it is done with a retest of the neckline. And I had to take my trades here, my take profit. I had to target this. Why? Because I can see that the market is being respecting this place for so long, and this is something that is very strong that can push the market back up. So my take profit was there, and I had to hold all the way from there, and now my take profit is hit. And hope those guys enjoyed it, because this was simple setup, a clear setup that I always analyze, guys. There's on the Telegram channel, guys. Don't forget, you can reach me well, can talk to me, anything that you want to know, anything that you missed, anything that you would like to consult. Don't hesitate to contact us. We are here to help you. I, with my team, we are here to help you achieve your goal in trading. These are simple setups, guys, that we always have on Telegram channel. is a simple setup that I will always be sharing with my team on a Telegram channel to show you guys so what will happen. So when I look at this, guys, what do I expect? Just come on 1 hour time frame. There's something that I see, and it's something that is very interesting that I expect I myself to take this trade, and hope you guys on Telegram channel use this time also to take this trade once we get our confirmation as well. So when I look at this, guys, what do I see? When I look at this, guys, on 1 hour, I see something very good and something very interesting. And of course, we have already got something can show us that we might take time to come from now. But don't forget me, I don't trade on Sundays. So when I look at this, guys, back to business, I see something like a head and shoulder. This is a first left shoulder, and I get our head somewhere here. And I see something like this. This is our right shoulder. So what am I waiting for? This is, of course, this is a lot of and already in a trade which is already won. We just won this right shoulder setup, and we also got to see that this market is just playing around our resistance zone that pushed the market all the way down. So what do I expect when I look at this? When I look at this, guys, I expect the market to come somewhere down, and I don't know what's going to stop and pull back. So we start looking for more confirmation to take sales, and of course we might take our first step profit there, and our next take profit. Let me first show you this, guys. This is a strong zone that might act as my first take profit. This is my second take profit that I might look at. But always, if you're not comfortable with the trade, guys, take what you have got and wait for another opportunity to come. So those are my 3 take profits that I may look at. But first of all, don't forget, always lock your profits. Once you have got something good in the market, lock your profits, take profit, and reduce loss, because the market to come and hit our break evens and continue to our way. But if you're not comfortable with that, just reduce your stop loss to somewhere good in a clear position that you may not lose big, and take some potential profits. So when you take some potential profits, that covers or protects your account, like making it consistently, not having losses. Of course, guys, what's that, man? Of course, guys, it's not good to always give back the money that you have made in Forex, guys. We trade for a living. This is too many effects, so this setup you can use it as well, and we got to shoot this thing all the way down. Okay, thanks people for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to hit that like button, don't forget to share the video. Go to our social media platforms as well. Come join our Telegram channel if you don't want to miss something good. If you don't want to miss something like this, people, come join our Telegram channel. You won't regret, guys. You can see our setups are working well. Of course, thanks people for watching. We meet again. Boom. Too many effects.